Reading with Teacher Paul, Reading Comprehension B2, Lesson 9, The Planets of Our Solar System, Origins and Facts. Let's begin.
Our solar system is made up of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet is unique, with its own characteristics and place in both mythology and science. In this text, we will explore the names and origins of these planets, as well as some interesting facts about them. What is a planet? A planet is a celestial body that, 1. Orbits around a star, like our Sun. 2. Is large enough to have enough gravity to form a nearly round shape. 3. Has cleared its orbit of other objects. Planets are classified as terrestrial, rocky, or gas giants. The 4 planets closest to the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are terrestrial planets, meaning they have solid surfaces. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are gas giants, composed mainly of gases like hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface. The names of the planets. The planets in our solar system are named after Roman gods and goddesses. Many of these names have ancient roots and reflect the characteristics of the planets. Let's explore each planet's name and its significance. 1. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It is named after Mercury, the Roman god of commerce, communication, and travel. Mercury was the messenger of the gods, known for his speed, which is fitting for the planet, as it orbits the Sun faster than any other planet, completing one orbit in just 88 Earth days. Fact: Mercury has no atmosphere to protect it from meteoroids, so its surface is covered in craters. (2) Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is known for being the hottest planet in the solar system. It is named after Venus, the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus shines brightly in the sky and is often referred to as the morning star or evening star because of its visibility around sunrise and sunset. Fact: Venus has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, which creates an intense greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making its surface hotter than Mercury's. (3) Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet known to support life. Unlike the other planets, Earth's name does not come from Roman or Greek mythology. The word Earth comes from Old English and Germanic words meaning ground or soil. Fact: Earth is the only planet in the solar system with liquid water on its surface, which is essential for life. (4) Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and is known as the Red Planet because of its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Mars is named after Mars, the Roman god of war, reflecting the planet's fiery red color, which was associated with blood and battle. Fact: Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. (5) Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, and it is named after Jupiter, the king of the Roman gods, also known as Zeus in Greek mythology. Jupiter was the god of the sky and thunder, fitting for this giant planet with its massive size and powerful storms, including the famous Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging for centuries. Fact: Jupiter has more than 75 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, which is even bigger than the planet Mercury. (6) Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and is easily recognized by its stunning system of rings, made up of ice and rock particles. Saturn is named after the Roman god of agriculture and wealth, who was also the father of Jupiter. The god Saturn was associated with time, and the planet Saturn has a slow and majestic orbit around the Sun, taking about 29.5 Earth years to complete one revolution. Fact: Saturn's rings are not solid, they are made up of countless small particles, ranging from the size of dust grains to mountains. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is unique in that it rotates on its side, making its axis nearly parallel to the plane of the solar system. Uranus is named after the ancient Greek god of the sky, Uranus, or Uranus, who was the father of Saturn. Fact: Uranus appears blue because of the methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. It is named after Neptune, the Roman god of the sea, likely due to its deep blue color. Neptune is known for having extremely strong winds, some of the fastest in the solar system. Fact: Neptune was the first planet to be discovered by mathematical prediction rather than direct observation, as its position was predicted based on its effect on Uranus's orbit. The dwarf planet, Pluto. For many years, Pluto was considered the ninth planet in the solar system. However, in 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union, IAU, because it does not meet all the criteria of a planet. Pluto is named after the Roman god of the underworld. Fact: Pluto is located in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with small icy bodies. It takes 248 Earth years for Pluto to complete one orbit around the Sun. The role of mythology in planet naming. The tradition of naming the planets after Roman gods goes back to ancient times. The Greeks were among the first to observe the planets and connect them with their gods, naming them after Zeus, Ares, Hermes, and Aphrodite. When the Romans adopted much of Greek culture, they replaced the Greek gods' names with their own: Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, and Venus. This practice continued even when later planets were discovered, such as Uranus and Neptune, though those names were inspired by Greek mythology rather than Roman. The planets in other cultures. While we are most familiar with the Roman and Greek mythological names for the planets, other cultures have their own traditions. In Chinese and Japanese astronomy, the planets are named after the five elements: water, wood, fire, metal, and earth. In Hindu mythology, the planets are known as Navagraha, and each is associated with a specific deity, such as Surya for the sun and Shani for Saturn. Conclusion. The planets in our solar system are not just fascinating in terms of their physical characteristics, they also have rich histories tied to mythology and culture. From the small, fast-moving Mercury to the massive gas giant Jupiter, each planet holds its own unique place in the universe and in human imagination. As we continue to explore space, we learn more about these distant worlds, deepening our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.
Thanks for watching. Visit www.TutorUKABC.com for more fun learning material.